Hello guys, my name is Philip and welcome to LearnTech Press. So in this video, I'll explain how you can get started with React and how you can deploy it on a cPanel. So first thing you need to do, you can create a folder on your desktop. So this is my folder that I've just created, React app. So with that now, I can open my Visual Studio Code, then drag and drop the folder there. Now with this now I have my folder here. Okay, nice. So this is my folder. So first thing, I can just go to my terminal. To open the terminal, you need to go here, terminal, new terminal. So my terminal is here. So what I need to do is now to create now the React application. So with this now, we use this npx create now React app. Okay, and then you can give it a name. Let's call it client, then click on enter. So it will take some time, so let's give it time. So you'll notice that it will install the basic now the packages, that is react DOM and also React script. Yeah, so it will install the basic template for the React application. So you'll notice that it will install now the template dependencies using now npm. Okay, now at this point now it's finalizing now. Now finally now you have your React templates set. So you can see now we have now the client. You notice that now there are already now some templates that have been installed, the node modules, the public folder, src package.json, package.json. So your React app is set. So these are just basic templates that have just been installed. So let's say for instance now you want now to run this React application. Now you notice that here now it's telling you now cd client. So this is change directory client and then npm start. So at this point now you can just write cd client and then at this point now npm start. So it will run your React application. So it should take some time. So now you notice now your React application has started on this port. So this on my side it has started on port 3000. So this is now the React application. This is just a basic one. So this is the template or the initial uh, file which is visible on the. So that is, you can locate it at where we have now the app.js. So at it has a logo, it has also some text there. So we can just remove all this. I want to show you something else. So at this point, let's just remove all this. This point, let's remove that. Also remove this because we have removed the logo and all that. So let's say we have a heading one here, and then you can see that this is my React application, or let's say this is my React project. Is that okay? So if you go back to your browser, you'll notice that the heading one has been rendered on your browser. Okay, now let's go back here and then let's try something, because now I want to show you how now to deploy your React application on cPanel. So first thing you need to have it's an hosting. So if you're looking for a hosting, um, the Hosty Pinnacle, they are very good. It's a very good company that you can consider for your hosting and also purchasing domain. So you'll notice that here we have you can just buy domains here and also the hosting. So they are very good. They have very good customer support. They are affordable and also reliable anytime you need them. So with this, if you're looking for hosting, by the way, I have a affiliate link down there. You can just click on that and also get your hosting. Okay, now I already have my hosting. So the first thing after you visit here, you can just see now the cPanel. You can just click on cPanel here, then it will direct you to this point now where you have uh, your cPanel. At this point now, this is my. You go where we have now. You click on tools and then you go to where you have now the files and then file manager. Then at this point now, I just want us to host that React application on one of my subdomain. So this is it now. It's called now portal.realmelevators.com. Okay. Now you can see now uh, the subdomain is empty. So you can see that the directory is empty. So if you try to search for this subdomain on your browser, this is now here com. Notice that it will give you an error that it's not nothing is there because we have not done anything. So how you can deploy this React application on your cPanel? You'll need to go to package.json, and then at this point now up there you can just have uh, home page. Just write home page, and then at this point now just write the domain, our https, and then this is now the portal.realm elevators, just the way it is .com. Okay, so just write it the way it is, home page, and then write your domain where you want to host or to deploy your application. So this is it. Just check if you have written it correctly. So that is it now. Okay, now let's go back here, and then on our terminal we can just send a client, and then run now npm run build. Okay, so it will take some time. Click on enter. So it will take some time. um, So for this one now, you will notice that now it's creating an optimized production build. So this one now it will convert your files to what you call now static files that can be deployed now on a live server. So it will take some time. So just wait. Now finally your build folder now is ready. Let's go to our folder. So this is now the desktop, and then we go to React app client, and then this is our folder here. So it's already here. So what you can do now is just convert it to a zip file. So you can just go here to send to and then compress. You can just compress it to a zip file. Then finally you can just go back to your cPanel where you have your subdomain here. So you can just click on upload. You can just upload that zip file here. So just click on select, go to where we have our desktop, a React app, client, then click on this zip file to upload it. Now after it has been uploaded, you can just go back. Then at this point now, you can just click on an extract, right click and then extract. Then you can extract the files, then close. So at this point now, you can just close. You can just delete this because we do not need it anymore. Just delete it. And then at this point, just click on that folder, then select all, then move. We just want to move it to the main portal.realm.com, portal.realmelevators.com. Just remove this build. and then move files. So you'll notice that this is our subdomain here. If you go there, you can just delete this folder. We do not need it anymore because yeah, just right click and then delete, skip and then delete. So with that, you'll notice that if you go back here and then click on refresh, now it will show you that our React app, and then it will display the same thing. This is my React project. So that is how you can get started with the React and also deploy it on cPanel. So thank you for watching, and consider to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.